machine I'm going to cover is for the biceps. This one's the Cybex arm extension. Whenever I'm talking about extension, that's moving away from my body. I know if it says arm extension, I'm working on tricep. If I see an arm flexion or curl, it's bicep. This one happens to be for the back portion of the arm. There is two adjustments on this. One is for your back. One is for your seat or your height. So I adjust this by lifting up and down. Once again, make sure it's secure. And I want to adjust this so my back is firmly against that while I'm doing the exercise. If I can't touch that, that's not proper adjustment. I want to make sure that it's always in contact with my back. So let's see how it is. So right now, if I press against that with my back, that's going to keep my elbows down. It's very important on this machine that I utilize the axis of rotation of the machine. On this one, it is indicated by a silver bolt. So my elbows are going to be lined up with that. If I do a straight line from that axis of rotation through my arms, that would be the point at which my elbow is rotating. So with this machine, I want to start with my thumbs down, elbows wide. And then from here, I flip them, meaning I flip my thumbs up, tuck my elbows underneath. From here, I'm going to check to make sure that that is lined up with my elbows. Everything is on the same axis. My back is firmly against that pad. Then from here, I'm going to extend down like I'm driving down two hammers, keeping my chest out, and my back is always pressed against that pad. I want to bring back, stretching the tricep, not letting the weight slam, extend. Now safety-wise on this, make sure that I'm not putting my head sideways for obvious reasons. I want to keep my eyes forward, and I want to have a firm grip on here throughout the exercise. When I'm done, make sure that that is rechambered, and I want to exit the same way in reverse that I entered. So my elbows go out, thumbs down, and I can push up and away from the unit.